September we met, I can tell by your smile.
With Nathaniel, he's got a board here. We call this a launching board. We've just made it a homemade one. Got a piece of timber. We've got a round piece of like a broomstick handle, a short piece of that, and when he steps on the end, it catapults the beanbag up in the air, and that's what he's going to practice to catch. So as the ball goes in the air, he's going to cup his hands and go with the flight of the ball so it sticks. You ready, Nathaniel? 3, 2, 1, let's go. Good boy. So he'll practice with 2 hands like he just did. He'll practice with 1 hand. Good boy. Practice with his non-preferred hand, his opposite hand. Oh, he did it with his opposite foot there. You can use the same foot, but you're going to catch it with your opposite hand. You ready? Boy. Oh, he used his opposite foot.
I used to be chill, now I can't catch my breath. When you say my name, I feel tight in my chest.
As a challenge, we're going to try 3 beanbags. You ready, Nathaniel? Okay, here we go.
You make me sweat in the coldest of nights.
Oh, you got 2.
I had control on the driver's seat.
Go again.
But my hands are slipping.
Oh, yes, well done. For this activity, what we're going to do is Nathaniel's going to try to catch it on his head, and what this does is by traveling with the flight of the ball and coming down with the flight of the ball, it helps him to just learn the feel for traveling with the flight and the importance of it. Are you ready, Nathaniel? Let's go.
And a stick and a ball, a small one. You can use any small ball. What can stay in there? And also, to do this challenge, don't lose all of your weight. Because if you do, it might go too high, too low.
Ready?
Yeah. So always just lose some of your weight. See, like it's